Okay, here's the 35 plumbing. You can see we don't have any leaks. Those are both strands. I'm going to work our way up to the first. Here I have it elevated off the ground so that we can see there's no moisture, not a drip that is coming off of any of these fittings. And we can see from the surface of the ground that there is no moisture, drops of water. Whoop. Over here, again, no moisture present on any of these fittings. And down to our final fittings here for the last. So we can see there's no moisture. And all the way down to this. Now we left the heat shrink unshrunk for our test. And there it is, the plumbing for 3535S for shower.